If any damage is done to any part of the dispenser, you can get it back into operation quickly with Symmetry's Repair and Place feature. Open the cover to a 40-degree angle and pull the cover out near the hinges to remove it. You can then replace the entire cover or any of the other three elements in the cover: the lever, the window, and the locking latch. To remove the lever, squeeze the two legs together and pull the lever out. Then you can replace it with a new lever. To remove the sight window, push it from the inside out. The sight window is made of a flexible material, so as you push it, you'll see it bow out. To replace the sight window, fit the bottom tab into the window, then bend it from the outside in to fit the top tab into place as you snap it back together. A similar approach applies to the pressure fit on the lever. Squeeze it together, and then put it back into the cover. To put the cover back on, position it at the same 40-degree angle and press the faceplate onto the hinges to catch the pegs on the inner housing.